Today's class I am going to discuss about swap to content without using additional variable by using XOR operation. So in this program I swap the content between A variable and B variable. So in this program let me assume two variable. So after execution of this program A variable is goes to B, B value is goes to A. So A value is goes to B, B value is goes to A. Here without using additional variable. So without using additional variable we can swap the value between A and B. So first you write module, then XOR swap is the module name. So XOR swap is the module name. In this program I am taking two variable. So this A variable consists of 8-bit value, B variable consists of 8-bit value. So let me initialize the variable. So A and B it consists of 8-bit value. So reach 7 down to 0 A comma B. So A variable consists of 8-bit, B variable consists of 8-bit. Then initial begin. A equal to 8 tick D 15. So let me assume A value is 15. So 8 represent 8-bit value, D represent decimal 15. So this 15 is assigned to A variable. So A variable is 15. Then B equal to 8 tick D 27. So 8 is represent 8-bit value, D represent decimal, 27 is the value. This 27 is assigned to B. Now B value is 27. Then $display before swap what value stored in A, what value stored in B. So this statement represent what value stored in A and what value stored in B before swapping the content. Now A value is 15, B value is 27. Then A equal to A XOR B. So A equal to A XOR B. So A value is 15. Let me write the binary value for 15. 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. Then B equal to 27. 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Now you apply the XOR operation between A and B. Just you do XOR operation. So what is the property of XOR gate? Both the inputs are same, output is 0. Both the inputs are different, output is 1. So 1 XOR 1, output is 0. 0 XOR 1, output 1. 1 XOR 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So after doing XOR operation, A value is 3, 2, 32. Now A value is 32. So after execution of this instruction, now A value is 32. A is assigned to, 32 is assigned to A. Then next one, B equal to A XOR B. So once again, you do the XOR operation between A and B. Now A value is 32. I just write the same value here. Then B value is 27. So 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Again you do the XOR operation between these two variable A and B. So 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. So now B value is 15. So after execution of this instruction, B value is 15. So 15 is assigned to B. So once again you do A XOR B. So once again you do XOR operation between A and B. So A value is, now A value is 32. Let me write here. A value is 32. B value is 15. 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. Let me apply the XOR operation between these two variable A and B. 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0. Now you get 27. So now A value is 27. So before swap, A value is 15, B value is 27. So after swap, what value is stored in A and what value is stored in B? Now A value is 27, B value is 15. So A value is 27, B value is 15. So you just do 3 times XOR operation. You will swap the A value into B, B value into A. So finally A and N module. So this is the simple program to swap two content without using additional variables. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.